everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Gwyneth, and today's video I'll be showing you guys how I achieve these mermaid-esque waves. It's super easy to achieve, so before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start off by splitting our hair down the middle. You can split it however you like. This is what I just prefer. And then next I'm going to be taking this TRESemmé Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant Spray. You're going to want to use a heat protectant whenever you use a hot tool to your hair. It's going to help reduce any damage to your hair. Of course, whenever you use a hot tool, your hair is always going to have some sort of damage to it, but this will just help reduce that in a way, you feel me? So I'm going to spray this. And then I'm just going to use this Tangle Teezer to brush it out. So for a curling iron, I'm going to be using this Nume 5-in-1 curling wand. I'm using the tapered, attachable wand to it, and we're just going to start off by sectioning off the hair. I'm just going to section the right side of my hair. And this is super easy, super fast if you have shorter hair than me. I have super long hair. But we're going to take an inch from the back, probably about this big. Split it where it splits naturally or evenly. Super easy. We're gonna curl all of these hairs away from the face. So I'm gonna start off right here. And my hair is so long that I can't get the ends of it. So I'm gonna get as much as I can. Leave it on for about 15 seconds. And then wherever it ended, I'm gonna start another one because my hair is so long. And do it again. But for probably about 10 seconds, since this is at the ends of my hair, I don't want to get it too damaged. Bam. It's gonna look like that. We're gonna do the same thing to the other piece. Curl it and leave it on for about 10 to 15 seconds. And then do the ends. So all of the waves throughout your hair are going to be away from your face. And again, we're literally taking the piece like this under your hair, about an inch, doing that, and then separating them, like so. Depending on how big your curling one is. I'm basically starting these waves from like my eyes down in a way. This is one side finished. I'm going to be taking this L'Oreal Elnett Satin Hairspray to help hold the curls, the waves in. We're just going to do the other side now. Same exact thing, all of your hair away from your face. And start from the back. Alright, so to brush this out, I'm going to be taking this Conair ceramic brush. It has like boar bristles on it as well, which will help to add shine to the hair. So we're just going to very gently comb it out, like so. I should stand up and do this. Bam. And I'm just going to take my hairspray again so that I'll stay in place. I'm also going to be taking some hairspray and adding it to the brush. I'm going to be brushing any flyaways. I usually use a kabuki brush, if you guys don't know my trick. Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's super easy to achieve. If you did try this out, please leave a comment down below letting me know that you did. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!